Hello everyone, I am Rainder Singh Aswal, associated with IGNU and Javesna Tech Private Limited. At Javesna, we specialize in providing comprehensive solution for library management system and services. Our team is dedicated to working with the open source platform Koha to create customized and user-friendly interface to our clients' specification need. In addition to our expertise in Koha, we also offer services related to RFID technology and DSpace repository software. I am excited to share that we have planned to create a series of screencasts and tutorials that cover all the modules of Koha to the Koha community. These resources will be extremely beneficial for learners and users of Koha. The tutorial will not only guide users on how to configure Koha, but will also showcase the various solutions and features available. Our aim is to empower learners to fully utilize the capabilities of Koha and efficiently manage their library resources. In this first series of screencasts, administrative model, Koha administrative model to focus on the essential parameters and preferences that need to be defined before functioning in the Koha system. This is a one-time job and need to be set in order they appear. Series 1 Admin Module Part 1 Basic Parameters Libraries, library groups, item types, authorized values. Click in Libraries. Some already define default libraries display here. You can edit and delete. You can't delete any library that has pattern or item attached. For adding a new library, we just click on the new library, like the digital library, DL, name digital library. We can fill the address informations and SMTP server by default. OPEC information, add the HTML contents information here, which will be displayed in the OPEC. IP address. IP does not have to be filled. It restricts access to the system from outside the library. Mark organization code should by default it take the mark organization code. Note, you can fill here the node, but it's not displayed in the OPEC. It's only for the staff user. Pickup location or the public and submit. Digital library display here. You can edit or delete. Next, the library group. Library groups and subgroups are used to organize libraries and collections within a consortium or network that share a common set of policies and procedure. For adding a new group, just click on group and give the name of title like the digital digital group. You can digital group. You can check here the box limit pattern data access by group. Yes. Use the OPEC search. Yes. Use the stub search. Local hold groups and save. You can create a subgroup here if the library is in a big size. Adding a library to a group. Click on the Add Library and select the library which you want to add, like the digital library. Look this, the digital library is under the group digital. Next is the item type. Item types are a way to define and manage the item in your library collection based on the physical format of the material, such as a book, DVD, or audio book. By default, some already item display. You can edit or delete. For a new item, you can fill here RB, name of the rare book. You can choose the icon if like this. Hide in opaque. If you check, item of this type will be hidden as a filter in the opaque advanced search, not for loan. You can also fill the basic informations as per library requirements. Check the message type, message or alert, what's and save changes. Where is the RB? RB, rare book, RB, not for loan. Yes, you can edit or delete. Authorized value. Authorized values allows libraries to define a list of values for certain fields, such as the material types, location fields. This helps ensure consistency in the data entered in these fields and make it easier to generate report. Create a new authorized value. Just simply click the new categories. You can add a new categories like course and save. So the categories course, add a new categories value or a delete categories course. You can add the value in the course like the authorized value, the commerce CE description if you want to display commerce like this, you can add and save. You can also add the in a department. It's a very useful department. Within a department, you can add a new authorized value for department like the civil engineering and save. The one authorized value in category department is displayed here. Some useful categories already defined is displayed here, very like the collection code. The collection code can be used for group materials by location, subject, format, or any others. Like fiction, non-fictions, rare collections, reference materials. You can add the more authorized value in the collection code. Damage. Describe for item marked at the damage appear when cataloging and working with items. Yes, this is a ERM agreement closure. This is a new model introduced in latest version of the Koha 22.11. You can fill these informations for ERM management system. Location. Shelving location usually appear when adding or editing an item. These are a very useful authorized value. Stack. Shelving control numbers showing the value of the stack. In this video, I hope you have learned how to define libraries, library groups, item types, and authorized value. If you have any further question or need assistance with any specific aspect of the library management, please don't hesitate to reach out jivesna.com. You can send email to rsaswal @jivesna.com or koha tutorials @gmail.com. You can also send a query to our support team, support @jivesna.com. Thank you.